Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5 and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. From the home screen, let's find and select the settings. Now let's choose the more under wireless and network, choose the Tetrigan portable hotspot. Let's enable the Wi-Fi hotspot by choosing the Wi-Fi hotspot, and let's use the switcher. Now the Wi-Fi hotspot is activated, so you can share the Wi-Fi. You can also set up the Wi-Fi hotspot right here, so you can change the network name, security type, the password. Right now we are using the following one. You must know that the password must have at least 8 characters. Here you can also select AP band and reset the following settings. Alright, let's tap cancel. Here you can also read the connected user list and blocked user list. As you can see, this is the icon of Wi-Fi hotspot. If you deactivate the hotspot, the icon disappears. So basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.